Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you some mistakes that new content creators like us, like other people's makes while posting their video. So the number one on my list is this. We are not going to waste much of our times. Number one on my list is posting without being consistency. What do I mean by posting without being consistent? Is by this: you started a channel, let me say Facebook channel or YouTube channel, and you post a video today, and people are waiting for you to post maybe tomorrow or next, because if you are posting video, you need to schedule times that your own time that you feel like you are good in. That time you're not going to mix it. You are really sure that you're going to post video that time, so they will not see any notification from you. You will just disappear after posting that video till 2 weeks. You will come back again. That people is not going to engage on your video again because you are not consistency. If you want Facebook or YouTube to recommend your video to people, you have to be consistency. Maybe you can create chance like you post Monday, Wednesday and Friday. You just have to give your own schedule, the time that you know that you'll be able to post video. You just have to be consistency. If you want Facebook to recommend your video to people or YouTube to recommend your video, you have to be consistency. So the number 2 on my list is make sure that you are not copying others. What do I mean by make sure you're not copying others? Is this: make sure that you're not copying others. What I mean is this: like you will see a video that somebody posts, you just copy the video or you just download the video and post it on your channel. Guys, just use that time that you are wasting on other people's contents and start creating your own. Maybe if you know that what you love is food, you like whenever you are cooking, you find joy in doing it. That is your own hobby, that is your own talent. You just have to showcase the thing online. So when you are cooking, you just have to video it and post. If what you love doing is fashion, you start a fashion channel. If what you love, maybe if you are the type that travels a lot, guys, I will tell you to start that traveling vlog content. People are really making good money and people love to watch this traveling content, lifestyle and many more. So make sure that what you are posting is original content, your own content, not other people's own, so that they will not mark it copyright. Or when you start earning from it, you will not get any income from the video. It will be so devastated. It's better you start your own content of your own, the one that you will find joy doing, the one that if you start the content creating, you will not start thinking, hey, what am I going to post today? That is the reason why you have to post what you love to do, so that you will not lack ideas on what to post today, on what to post tomorrow. So guys, post your own original content. So the number 3 on my list is make sure that your video is grabbing hooks. What do I mean by grabbing hooks? Is this: maybe your what your video is all about, or what your video is saying is how to make a perfect Nigerian fried rice, but at the beginning of the video, maybe that is the intro of the video, what you are saying is there, you are just saying, how are you guys doing, how I hope you enjoy your day, you know, all those things. That is not what they want to hear. What they want to hear is how to make that perfect Nigerian jollof rice, or how to make a perfect fried rice. You know, make sure that first 3 seconds of the video is grabbing attention, is making people to stick to watch that video to the end. Don't dive into another topic. So that is the number 3 on my list, guys. The number 4 on my list is you are waiting for you to be perfect before you will start content creating. Guys, there is no way you are going to be perfect in everything you do. Whether you wait from now till 1000 years to come for you to start the content creating, you are going to make a mistake. Maybe God, stop. You are going to make a mistake. So you just have to start. Tell yourself that you are going to make it. Even if you are shy, just maybe you can start a content, let me say you can start a cooking channel. That one you don't have to show your face. You just have to focus the camera on the food that you are cooking. If you are a shy type, you can start that one. So guys, please start that content creating today and believe in yourself that you are going to make it. It's not a must that everybody will love what you are doing, but know that 1 out of 10 will love what you are posting online, and they will surely engage in it, guys. So don't forget to follow me for more content tips, idea, and many more to come, guys. I hope you learn 1 or 2 things from my video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.